CECAFA Technical Study Group TSG dhi nyime boma Nairobi kendo biro rumo tok ndalo 4. Tiegruok mar TSG osir gi riwruok mar CECAFA kaachiel gi riwruok matayo tuke adhula pinje duto FIFA kendo kelo kanyakla pinje 14 kama oting'o Sudan, Ethiopia, Kenya, Burundi, Tanzania, Djibouti, Uganda kod pinje mamoko. Tiegruok no itayo gi directors e riwruok mar tuke adhula pachoka gi piny mar Tanzania Michael Amenga gi Oscar Mirambo kaka giluore.
Nashukuru tumekutana na watu wengi wanatoka nchi tofauti tofauti, kwa hiyo mnabadilishana mawazo na kujua vitu tofauti tofauti. Mimi nimetoka Tanzania lakini nimekutana na watu wametoka Djibouti, wametoka Uganda, Kenya, lakini Sudan, Burundi.
Technical Study Group is a specialized training yenye inahusu football experts kusaidia kwa development ya football using the 4 components of football, which is technical, tactical, physical, and mental.
We thank CAF and CECAFA that at least they've impacted us with knowledge to see how we do things, to see that how do we reach on the conclusion, how do we get the first 11, how do we evaluate the tournament.
I still congratulate the CAF and the CECAFA and of course even Kenya now hosting this kind of the study group, which I feel it will be good for us as Kenyan again for the CHAN coming and of course for the other upcoming tournaments for CECAFA.